Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I have told you repeatedly I am not for sale. Oh, dear. Fine. Fine. Oh, this is funny to you, is it? I've just about had enough of you.
What's this?
This esteemed gentleman wishes to inform you that he and his associates have come to your fine establishment today to sell you a selection of premium salvaged automotive components. He believes them to be of considerable value.
All right. So you got some real nice muscle car parts here. 67 Shelby GT350 stuff. The engine you brought in alone, that's a crown jewel.
He says absolutely premium merchandise.
So, where'd you guys get all these parts?
Sir, they say they found them.
Found them?
That is the term they used, yes.
Yeah, well, things turn up. So, I actually have a GT350 in the parking lot right now that I'm working on.
He says they have been in the salvage and reclamation business for generations. When they learned of Rick's Pawn Shop, an establishment renowned across the galaxy for its popularity and fair dealings, they simply had to see it with their own eyes.
The droids, are they part of this deal or just with you?
He says yes, we are absolutely for sale.
How much are you looking to get for them?
They are asking for 100,000 for me and the lot.
100,000.
Yes.
Well, the droids are used and look rough. I'm not even sure if these GT350 parts are authentic. Look, I'll give you $50 for them.